Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to listen to YouTube music while on another app. So first I'll launch up YouTube and then all you need to do is first search for the music. Let's do an NCS song, okay? Which is non-copyright music since I'm making a video on YouTube. And let's go ahead and open up any music right here. Let's say this one. Okay, we'll do this one, all right? So we'll go through the ad. All right, we're done with that ad. Now, all you need to do is this. I can play a little bit of the music just to show you. Okay, now you just want to come here at the bottom left, click on those three horizontal lines, and then you will see this option, okay? Click on this. What this does, it puts it in picture-in-picture mode. So come here and enlarge that, and I can play the music right here while using other things, okay? So look at this. Of course, you can also shrink the size and enlarge it as well. So what I can also do is show you another way. And let me just enlarge this and show you what we will be doing. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and copy the link to this. So I'll click on share. Okay, copy the link. And we'll go ahead and access this on YouTube, but in our Chrome, okay? So I'll go ahead and paste this in, come to this website, and it'll probably open up in the mobile version, right? So you can come here and click on these three dots to access the desktop site. And there we go. So now we're watching it on the desktop version, right? So you can click on play. There you go. And if I close it, you can see up here, the option is still available. So I can come here and click on play while I actually use it on other apps. So look at this. As you can see, I'm able to fully use my phone while using YouTube music as well. And it's really that easy and simple.